Hello everyone, blessing and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm here with a few of the ODC students who are going to be giving a review of the course they started 2 weeks ago. This is the last week of the course and they are basically working on their final projects to prepare for a presentation on Saturday. 2 weeks ago, they started a web development course and they were taught HTML, CSS, and WordPress. So they're just basically building websites for organizations or institutions in Liberia that don't have websites. They've been separated into groups and they're going to work on those websites and present them on Saturday. I've been here throughout the course and it's been going well, but I just want to hear from them what they think about the course and how the experience has been so far. So without further ado, let's hear from them.
I'm Jenkins Mwaba and I'm a student. Currently I'm not attending a university. I'm like self-taught online and learn stuff online, especially web development.
So let me say thank you for this interview. My name is Betty Johnson Bayo. I'm a journalist by profession and I'm a co-partner of the Sage Media.
I'm Amaze Dean and I'm an IT student with emphasis in system administration, the Stars University.
Okay, I'm Solomon K. Badu. I'm a student studying information technology, emphasis in system administration, Stars University.
I got to know about the ODC web training on Facebook because I followed their page on Facebook and then I saw the link and I applied. The reason I applied is because I want to grow as a web developer. I want to gain more skills and more knowledge in knowing the history of Orange when it comes to technology in Liberia. So I applied to expand my network and to gain more knowledge when it comes to web development.
I'm that kind of person who always scouting for new opportunities, and this day I was on Facebook and while scrolling, that's how I bumped into the Orange opportunity wherein people like me could apply and be vetted and start to enroll into the coding school. And this is because I've struggled with uploading to our website and specifically website navigations and everything. I'm always thinking on how this is done, and when I bumped into this, I felt that was the right moment, so I directly applied.
It was pretty straightforward. Like I just applied, they sent me an email and asked me some couple of questions and I answered the question correctly and then I got accepted.
So at the time in which I applied, it was the final day. So I was like, am I gonna be accepted? But then I remember I shared it with another person who always scouted for new opportunities, but then he was unsuccessful from the second stage. So when I applied and was successful for the first stage, that day I was on my way to class at the master's program, and then when I received my alert on my phone, that's how I decided to answer the second phase of the application. And then I was like, okay, so every other moment I have to check my phone to make sure that I'm in the right spot. One of my colleagues also applied, and then he never had the urge to check his email that day. So that time, expired. When I told him, I said I was accepting the school, and he was like, "Man, self also applied." I'm like, how often do you check your emails? He said, okay, so let me go check. And then he said, oh no, there is an alert. But then I think I have already missed it. I say yes, you should always check your email. So yeah.
Yes, I kind of had a bit of it.
Sure, I work with HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript, so I have a little experience.
Yeah, the training been great, and it added more value to me as a developer, especially when it comes to the content management system WordPress. I had zero idea about WordPress. I didn't know how to customize anything in WordPress, but for now I know I have skill in WordPress that I can, tell somebody that I can do something in WordPress.
The training has been very, very, very helpful. It has gave me some insights on WordPress. It has taught me how to work more in the Visual Studio Code, and I've learned a lot.
Nothing. That's it.
Okay.
I already have basis on web development, so.
One thing I wish I knew was how to code.
The learning experience here has been great. I've had wonderful instructors. The learning space is just perfect, and I've met new friends. It has been perfect.
Well, the learning experience was great. Especially when it comes to working as a team, because as for me, that's how I learn, when I work with a group of people sharing ideas and coming together. And then the instructor too was great because he's a young person like us, so we understand each other, and then we kind of vibe with the same flow. So the learning experience was great.
As I said, that the facilitators have been so calm, and they have been very patient with us. They have carried us from one stage to another. I can squarely say without them, such experience that I have currently, that was never going to happen.
Alright, thanks, Wa.
You're welcome, Blessing, and thanks to you too for your patience. It has been wonderful working with you, working with Carlos, working with Aben.
Alright.
And who else am I forgetting?
Nathan.
Thank you so much.
Alright. Basically, that's what the students had to say about the course. So the course was offered by Orange Digital Center, and it was facilitated by Kwagei Group of companies. I'm going to leave the link to their Facebook pages in the description box, so please make sure to check that out if you're interested in doing a course like this in Liberia. You can just check out their Facebook pages and follow them. And there's the end of the video. Thanks for watching this far, and please don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button. Yeah, why not? Just because you enjoyed it. Yes. So without further ado, see you in the next video.